Hey, good morning. Yo, what's up? Shiwa. GTII. Yeah, give me one second. Let me just share this. Good morning. I'm 16, trying to get into trading. Any advice? Yeah, of course. Send me a message. Prove to me that you're 16. There's already a lot of 16, 17, 15-year-olds in Discord server. The Discord server is free already, but I just want proof to know if you guys are actually young. And then basically, gonna make sure you guys hopefully become rich as you guys get older. So yeah, just send me a message on Discord or Instagram and tell me that you're from TikTok. GTII. Trading OTC stock. I mean, yeah, man. I mean, there's not much to look at on this. I'm sorry. Your guess is as good as mine. I mean, obviously we closed above 440 resistance. Now we're going higher on GTI, but aside from that, I GTII. Can you share the? Yeah. I'm 52. Well, you help the old heads too, of course. I mean, the Discord server is literally filled with really, really rich people, filled with people that are just trying to learn, everyone in between, of course. But link. All right, there's the Twitch link. I just shared it in the YouTube channel. I would highly recommend everyone watch the stream on Twitch because there's no stream to play. When should I buy baseball? Too early to tell right now, brother. Morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, just send me a message on Discord, and you guys have to understand that I uh I get like basically I basically hire someone manage the messages. But yeah, I get a lot of messages. So just be patient. On a huge up day already, like You're gonna have to be very patient. The market can be very, very choppy versus you. We're still most likely going to take a trade, but just lower your position sizes because we can see a lot of fake out. Tesla calls are up. They were up a little bit more, but they're up. So for everyone that was swinging Tesla, you guys can take some profit. The IWM is leading. Tesla's starting to fly. Big green candle. 373. Holy crap. Wow. All right, so I'm gonna take a very light position of two things basically. I'm gonna go long SPY calls with a 373.2 stop loss. SPY calls 372.2 stop loss. If we don't break above high of day during this candle, I'm also going to buy SPY puts with a 374 stop loss. And then whichever breaks first, we're going to sell out, obviously, and then we're going to let the other one ride out. All right, so I am going to also grab SPY puts with a 374.1 stop loss. $374. And let's see, whichever breaks first, we're going to sell out. Need a close below and above to get invalidated out of the position. The issue with a big overnight move is that a large chunk of the up move already happened pre-market. But are not working. Let's see if we get a close above 374.1. We can close out of the puts. All right, I'm out of the puts. Looks like it's gonna keep going higher. Make sure you guys are taking profits on the calls. I'm still not entirely convinced. Make sure you don't allow this to go red. You solidify some profits and let the rest ride. 374.50 is major resistance. I'm gonna try my best not to keep going short at all of these levels of resistance because there's a lot of buying pressure. But that's sort of what I want to do. This is a lot of strength. If we make a new high from this candle, then this is going to be very, very weird because we're at major resistance on all three indices at the moment. We're literally right below it. So if we rip higher from here, then this is pretty insane. $374.58 is the level of resistance. We only made it to 374.56 and wicked off. But we need to see if we can get a close above 374.58. Wow, this looks like it might rip to the upside. That is wild. They broke the NASDAQ below support. They painted a red candle on the IWM, only to rip both of them back up. Just let's see if this is leading up to a retest of at least 375.30 if we continue up higher. And if we get a close above 374.58, that's the main thing. We need 2 solid closes above 374.58 to get continuation. But you can see that we're stagnating here. This is a very major level of resistance. We're already up over 2% on the entire market. Buying pressure is there, which is what's keeping this up. This is really, really, really crazy buying pressure that we're seeing right now. This is, I'm actually kind of shocked. Love it. Awesome stuff. Wow. All right. So we got 2 closes above the resistance. Makes sense. We got a big candle. Contracts like flew in value as well. So we should have made up for the losses on the puts. Oh man. Oh, fact, we're gonna get a nice. Gonna catch some nice moves today. Look how small these candles. Wow. We hit 375.36, which is the main price target that I wanted. Contracts are up almost $100 each. Take some profits now. Leave runners. God, wow, this is crazy strength. 260.88, major resistance on the NASDAQ. 260.88. Oh, sorry, what the hell am I saying? 280.88. 280.88 is major resistance on the Qs. Holy crap. Take some profits on the calls, guys. This was a good play. Nice. Unfortunately, we lost some money because I bought both calls and puts because I wasn't entirely sure we were going to get all of this movement upwards, but we had a tight stop loss on the puts and we let the calls ride. So overall, we should be profitable. And that's how you trade like safely, basically. Obviously, we could have made a lot more money if we just hung on to the calls. But if buyers left and there was sellers that started stepping in, we were basically setting ourselves up for a move for a gap downfill to the downside. So buying both was the best option in my opinion. Obviously, it's not we missed out on some profit, but still profitable. We're still super profitable. I just wasn't expecting this strength. Biryani Azim just sent me a pen. Guys, don't send me gifts. I don't even know how much all these gifts are. I know that like roses, a few cents, so that's cool. But I don't. You send me a whole animal. You send me a panda. So I hope that's not a lot of money. But thank you. Um, keep friend your friend is Islington. Panda, panda, panda. So here's the problem right now. If you're looking at the 1 minute chart, you're just look at how like I don't know how to explain it, but look at how inclined the move is to the upside, right? All this takes is literally like 10 minutes of bearishness, and then all of the gains for from market open are gone. I'm gonna grab light SPY puts 5-day stop loss. This doesn't work, but it's such a good play to make because it has a lot of room to the downside. That's the main thing. We're in a bearish market. We had a big move to the upside. We're already up almost 5% for the month. For calls. They're holding this level of support. All right, that work. But we're gonna have to keep trying to basically see if we can get a top. But we have to also respect the strength, because this is a lot of strength. We have to take SPY calls with 375.5 stop, and then I'm going to try to get short again. So SPY calls with 375.5 stop. Damn. That's crazy. That's crazy. Make sure you guys are taking some profits. Damn. Nice. All right. Well, that basically made up for the stupid. This is nice. Cool. All right, guys. Take some profits. Quick low 15% play. Take some profits, leave runners. Nice. Don't let this go red. Thank God. God damn. This is a huge freaking move. Wow. 376.85. Major resistance. on the SPY. 376.85. This strength threw me off. But yeah, I'm glad that we switched to calls. Holy crap. Thank God. Thank God. Thank goodness. Imagine I just got tilted and I was like, all right, yeah, no, we're gonna have to try to catch a top. No. With trading, like if you're wrong, you have to adapt and let the money come to you. That's it. You have to look for the right decision to make and then try to assess whether or not it's an intelligent decision. We're at major resistance. 377.27. We got one close above 376.85. You guys should already be up. I'm sure you guys already took some profits. Like this was already up huge. So now, please, the only positions you should be holding now are just runners. See this candle setup right now that we're seeing right now. This is not a setup that should break a new high of day. But given today's strength, we can easily just go up higher and break high of day. So they're giving really, really good shorting opportunities. But the buyers keep stepping in and burning shorts, which is the issue. I mean, whatever. It is what it is. Jolts data was really bad. Yeah, so if the jobs data was really bad, then that's going to be good for the stock market. It makes sense why we pumped. So, wow. I would be very, very surprised if this makes another high day. We're up 2.7% for the SPY, 3.6% for the IWM, and 3.18% for the NASDAQ. That is absolutely crazy. You could buy SPY calls again right now with a 376.50 stop loss. It's very tight. If this momentum does continue upwards, you can enter in with another position, but I'm not entering because, yeah, I'm just not convinced. But this is that's a really good long opportunity if you were to want to take a trade right now. If this works, that would. But it's a textbook. It's a really, really good, safe risk reward trade setup. Short. Yeah, have to. But damn, so many buyers. We're gonna take SPY calls 376.2 stop. This is really, really just disgusting buying pressure. NASDAQ new high of day. Yeah, this is ugly. This is really, really ugly price action. The contracts are up a little bit. I'm taking some profits, but this is not ideal. I'm lowering my position size and profit. And if this doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. But this is not healthy price action for bulls. But every single time they've made unhealthy price action, they rip it up to the upside. Yeah, I'm taking some profit. So the issue right now is they're just grinding the market higher. And they're not allowing, I don't know how to explain it, but it's very, very, it's not a, it just doesn't feel proper. So that's the issue with this move upward. It doesn't feel right. Any other any other day, going short with a 5-day stop loss, we would be at like 375 already. 375, 70 easily within like 5 minutes. We would have been there, but we're stagnating at resistance. We're holding in a very, very tight range. This is disgusting price action. Yeah, we're in light buy calls with a 376.2 stop loss. But yeah, there's not really much else to do at the moment. You're all in on calls at the moment. This is a really, really bad time to be all in on calls. We already moved very, very aggressively for the day, and we've been stagnating at resistance. So be careful. Now would be an amazing time to go short. Have to. I'm gonna grab light spy puts 377 stop. Man, bro, they dropped it right down to support, but it's have to go short. If this doesn't work, then it is what it is. We're still holding on to the calls with 376.20 stop, but it was a lighter position. So hopefully these puts print. The NASDAQ is breaking below support. The IWM broke below support. But this can just be a redo of what they've been doing all day. They rip it below support and then they rip it back up. So let's see if we get a redo of that. They're holding it at support. Great. Just let it go. Let it go. Stop trying to hold on. Let it go. Just fall. We didn't get enough follow through to the downside. This is another. Usually, this would be another opportunity to go short, but we're holding support. It's setting up for a dump, but we're holding support. So this could just be another bear trap. We're holding support really, really well. Any other day, this would have vomited already. We would have fallen very dramatically. They're making people go long right now with a 376 stop. They're holding support really well. They painted a very bearish picture, making people want to go bearish, but they're holding the support very well. I'm gonna take light SPY calls 376 stop, and then hopefully if the put, we're gonna see what happens. ugly price action. But like I was saying, they held support way too well. We had to go long. We had to take some longs as support. Take some profits on the calls. The contract should be up at least like $15. And now we see if the puts can start breaking below support. All right, that was obviously not a bullish candle. Big red candle. Hopefully we get a break below support. A very big vomit. Once again, we came back right back down to 376. Bounced off of it very aggressively. So let's see. Yeah, unfortunately, the market is very ugly and choppy today. There's no fluidity. If we break above the high of this big red candle, that would be very, very bullish. If that happens, I would be pretty shocked. But at the moment, like this is just range bound, choppy price action that we're seeing for the past like half hour, 45 minutes now. So you just simply have to go long at support and you go short at resistance. So we tried to go short along momentum, but there was no follow through momentum. They held support, and because we saw that they were holding support so well, we had to go long. So now we're holding on to these puts with a 377 stop, and then we're holding on to these longs with a 376 stop. Chopping within range here. Yeah, so I mean, look at it on a 1 minute chart. Have you been scalping for the past 45 minutes? Gogo Sam, are all the options you buy 0 DTE? Yes. We trade the closest expiration contracts. Wow. We broke above the red candle. That is very, very strong. Make sure you guys are taking more profits on the calls. We're up 10% on them. Yeah, I mean, there's not much to do here except just wait. I would, if this was a normal day, I would buy puts here. Again, would buy more puts, but the market doesn't seem to want to stop. But yeah, it would be amazing if these puts ended up working and we basically got a gap fill to the downside. That would that would be spectacular. I just sold out of what you call it, Tesla November 11th calls that we were holding yesterday, that we bought into yesterday. I sold out of a lot, or basically we were up close to 25-30%, depending on when you entered. Probably, I mean, if you guys entered at the lows, you guys would be up like 40-50%. Made 33% from Tesla calls. Thank you, huh? Damn, nice, man. Congrats. Um, Ian Tomasi. Yes, the that data comes out on Friday morning. Wow. Mm. 376.85 is major resistance on the SPY. If we can get two closes above that, then it's a high likelihood that we're going to see a high of day, which is very interesting. Mm-hmm. Ugly. Mhm. Can these puts start printing, please? Came all the way to our stop loss. L. So it'd be nice if we get followed. Let's just break below 376 for 1 minute. That'd be great. Puts should be basically at break even. So you could exit these. And can you just please break below support? 376 is holding like a champ. Every time we get to that level, we just bounce. Buyers just step in like crazy at that level because I think they know that if 376 ends up breaking, the upward momentum that we've built thus far, they're gonna need to have even more buying pressure below 376 to help us cross above high of day. So if they don't, so look, this is what's going on right now. They have X amount of buying pressure currently. Say, for example, it's like at a 60%. They're at 60% buying pressure at the moment, while it remains above 376. If we break below 376, the lower we fall and the more dramatically we fall below 376, that buying pressure is going to need to be ramped up from 60% to 80%. For example, right? So they don't want it to get to a point where they have to deploy a lot of buying pressure to fight the selling. So they don't. So first of all, they don't even want this to break below 376 because it would cause selling, in my opinion. So that's why they're trying to stagnate it as much as possible here. Yeah. So bears want this to remain below 376.70, 376.80 area, but so far this has just been choppy. Fail at resistance, bounce at support. Normally, this candle right now that we're seeing right now on the SPY would be falling. This candle should be falling. If they end up ripping it to the upside, then we're gonna have to buy. We might have to buy calls because this candle, every single time this setup happens, should be falling lower. We're gonna have to see if they could bring it back up above 376.90, but generally this should be a bearish candle. Okay. Any other day, this would have broken 376 right. That was a perfect opportunity. That candle was bearish. The next candle afterward was bearish. This should be falling, man, but like they're literally just bouncing it off of support as we get closer to 76. Take some profits. Don't. God damn. Take some profits. It doesn't look like they're gonna allow it to start cascading lower. Lower. These are finally somewhat profitable, so take some profits. We wicked below 376 and ripped higher. So again, range bound trading, take some profits. Garbage price action. But yeah, at the moment, bears want this to remain below 376.50. Bulls want this to remain above 375.90. So it broke below 376, but what we want is a close below 376. So we wicked, right? We made a wick. But when you wick below support and then rip it higher, that's generally a bullish situation. So yeah. I'm gonna take a light SPY calls 376.50 stop. 376.50 as a stop. And then if this doesn't work, then I mean, they're setting it up to break a new high of day. If this doesn't work, then we're just gonna continue chopping around. Take some profit. These contracts aren't moving up as okay. Got a big pop to the upside and a big red candle. All right, now we can take some sort of profits. Contracts are back up about $10 each. All right. Nice, nice. Okay. Whew. Nice, cool. Contracts up about $20 each. New high of day on the SPY. We need to see a close above the prior high of day, and ideally a close above 377.30. If we can get a close above 377.30, then this is gonna continue flying. Wild. Nice, nice, nice. Cool. I mean, this is the thing with trading. You just have to keep on taking the shots when they come. Not every. You just have to keep on taking high quality trade setups. That's it. Just because some of them don't work doesn't nullify the fact that they were high quality. These contracts are up $25, $30 each, depending on when you got them. So, yeah. New high of day. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad at all, guys. Good job. If you guys made money today, let me see some ones in the chat. I need to see some more ones. This is going on the TikTok and the Instagram. So just drop a bunch of ones if you guys made money. Come back to your screens, type in one. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you. Owen lost 25%. Oh, I suck at. That sucks. Send. Damn. Join the Discord, man. Join the Discord. Join the Discord. Oh. Break a. BDR 1. Jeff 1. Namil Badilo 1. Ian Tomasby 1. Chitty Chitty Bang Bang 1, RMP 1, Jake out. Like, BDR 1, Addy Frank. That's nice. Good steal. Thanks for all the ones. Very, very nice to see. Owen, I need to, yeah, so the exclamation mark Discord, I need to make the, let me make a, remind myself. All right, I have to make the Twitch. Oh man. Yeah, this is um so we're not massively green like we normally are. We're green. Above average green, but we're not massively green. But I mean, green is green, but we did pretty well regardless. Pretty well. But yeah, I mean, that's the thing. You just have to keep on taking as many good setups as you possibly see. Imagine we didn't take this long when I saw it. We didn't take that 376.50 stop loss long a few minutes ago. We would have been sitting on our hands like, oh, whoops, the puts, but you can't get married to a decision. You cannot get married to any decision, and you cannot get married to a trade. The market is ever changing every single minute. So you have to account for everything that's going on and try to maximize your profit as much as possible. So you guys basically, like, in your own trading, try to apply these same principles, not to overtrade, but to learn and adapt as the market is moving the way that it is. I say this a lot. Obviously, I don't want to be wrong. I share trades with you guys and everything, but it is what it is. You have to take some losses, and how you respond to your losses determines whether or not you're going to be successful in the long run. Simple. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep taking high quality trades. Don't allow your emotions to derail you or control you. And boom. Life is good. But yeah, guys, on days like this, when we get a huge move to the upside, it gets annoying to trade sometimes because of times. Moncito. It's eat or be eaten, so you must adapt to the market. Charles M.F. Darwin. Yeah, makes sense. DDR 1249. I got you. This might be a bull. Ooh, I don't know. Don't know. This was a very painful thing for bears. Everyone that went short late, right? That's why when I saw this wick, I was like, damn. Because this setup right here, when you wick below a major level of support, right? We were holding this level of support for close to like a half hour, 45 minutes, I don't even, for a while, right? For almost an hour, we were holding this entire level of support, right? When you wick, so this is a wick, right? We didn't break below and close. We wicked below. So we had a periodic time where we were trading below, and then we ripped upwards. And it was just a wick. So look, when that happens, generally, that's a very bullish sign. But when the next candle after that happens is a green candle, then it's almost 100% guaranteed that the candle afterward is going to be bullish. And this was like, when I saw this, I was like, damn, they're going to make us go long again at 376. And yeah, so I saw that the upward momentum was building. I saw us starting to break above these levels of resistance, and then that made me want to go long because you have to adapt. Yeah, guys, I mean, look, like it's not for the Discord. Once I get to your messages, I'm gonna respond and we're gonna work it out. It's not that it's not that serious, guys. I just haven't been able to respond. That's the main thing. So just when I get time to respond, I'm trying my best here. But when I get time to respond, um I'm definitely gonna respond to everybody. So I don't want anyone to feel like I'm ignoring you guys or anything like that. Just yeah. All right, one second. Get Damn, I want to go short with a 5-day stop loss. All I know is that Apple opened yesterday outside of the lower level of the Bollinger Band. Completely slacked on seeing that it opened outside the lower level of the Bollinger Band, and if we had just gone long, it would have been another easy longing opportunity. But Is what it is. Yeah, there's no real high quality trades at the moment to make. We are green for the day. There's no reason to overtrade because we're still just literally trading within a range. So be careful. Don't overtrade. We're gonna get better market conditions. We're definitely gonna get better market conditions next week, hopefully. But yeah. Disgusting. I get good trades, but I'm always scaling out of them too early. One of the reasons for that may be because you entered too heavy. So maybe you entered your position too heavily. That might be the issue. Owen, I'll be back tomorrow, taking my loss for the day and learning from losses. Good. That's the best mindset to have. In this game, you're going to make losses. You're going to lose. There are going to be times when you lose. So it is what it is. You can't blame yourself. You can't beat yourself up. That's it. Uplift yourself. Tell yourself that the best traders in the world have lost disgusting amounts of money. But in the end, the people that can persevere and show resilience and continue trading regardless of whether they're successful or not, those are the ones who end up winning in the end. So just keep pushing. T, the thing about trading is solely individual. There's literally no one to blame but yourself. No one earned your money, nor did they put your money into the trade. You only can blame the one in the mirror. Yep, absolutely. Absolutely. Yeah, I also saw a question earlier. I don't remember who it was, but to do scalps and stuff, it's almost impossible to try to scalp doing limit orders. Whoever told you that, they're quickly entering scalps with limit orders, they're lying. They're lying, or they're trying to like sound cool or something. But how the hell are you supposed to enter on a limit order when like the scalp is moving very quickly? Doesn't make any sense. But yeah, so market orders. This is crazy. So look, another situation with some wicks. So we had wicks to the upside, and then this candle closed red, right? And when I saw this candle, I was like, damn, I want to go short with a 5-day stop loss. What happened? The next 2 minutes, we ended up getting some follow through. And then what did they do right here? Another wick. We wicked. Next candle was green. And again, the candle after that, more green candles. So when you see a wick to the upside and a red candle, it's generally a good time to go short. When you see a wick to the downside and ideally a green candle or a hammer, then it's a good sign that it rips to the upside. So just keep that in mind. Use wicks to your advantage, especially if we've been consolidating. So look, especially over here on this candle right here, where we've been consolidating for over like almost an hour. We wick below major support. We fell below 376, wicked below it, and then the next candle was green, and that basically just led to all of this buying pressure. So, yeah, so I would recommend you guys, like, if you're trying to scalp, you can't scalp using limit orders. Salam, salam. Even when I lose, I win. That's my mentality. That's good. It's not, it's not really losses. You're just learning lessons. You have to learn a lot of lessons to become a consistently profitable trader. But it's all teachable. It's all learnable. Everything is literally there online for free. And for this, my goal, if there's even like 1,000 people that can become better traders than I am, because 100%, guys, to get to where I am as a trader, very, very possible. It's not rocket science. It's not very, very difficult. Literally, it just takes time. That's it. You just need to put in time and effort into studying, and you got to put in the hours. Very, very simple. Handsome Rob, on these Weeble type retail brokers, just enter at the ask plus 1 cent and exit the bid minus 1 cent, and you'll basically mark it in and mark it out. T, sometimes lessons cost you money to teach you how to not lose as much money anymore. 100%. 100%. All right, guys. It's 11:20. The market is it's still showing strength. We can still see 378. 378 is going to be the next major level of resistance. If we break above Hive Day, 378 is on the table. So yeah, all right. I'm gonna head out. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Uh, yeah, the market is just very choppy. Just don't overtrade. We're already green for the day. I'm gonna be in the Discord sharing other good trades if they come about, but this is not fluid price action, obviously. So, yeah, just be patient. There are going to be days where, again, we're making 40, 50, 60% very, very quickly. But today is not one of those. I mean, well, the past hour and a half has not really been good for that. But yeah, so the lower levels of support. Okay, so the lower levels of support, 376 is probably the most important level of support thus far. If we break below 376, 375.50 with some strength, that would be very, very good for bears. So just keep in mind 375.50 to 376. If we break below that level, then that's bearish, in my opinion. Well, I mean, we're up 3% for the day, so we can't really be that bearish. But in terms of buying puts, I think that would be a good level to short. But yeah, aside from that, thank you guys. Honestly, I have so much love for you guys. I really, really want us all to succeed. Like, so I'm trying my best. I really want all of you guys to become better traders than I am. So right now, if for the next few years, you know, a year or two, hopefully, you guys are consistent in putting in work, you guys can be better traders than I am. So that's the goal, man. Like, life is good, and I want everybody to do really, really well. So hopefully all the things that I'm sharing with you guys is beneficial. Hopefully my commentary and everything is beneficial. I know for a fact once I launch the course is obviously going to be free, but once I launch the course, we're going to go a bit more in detail about everything as well. That should help. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm blessed to have you guys around. I'm really, really blessed that you guys are just showing so much love and support. It's awesome. So yeah, one step at a time. We're doing good, and things are working out really, really well. So yeah, man, definitely follow me on Twitch, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on TikTok, do all that good stuff, and I will see you guys